welcome back to my channel. This is the most voted video that you guys did from the poll. If you didn't see the poll, yes, I did put one up just for the votes on what video you guys would like to see. So we're just gonna hop right into it. As you know, it's winter and the weather is dry, and where I live, it's been extremely cold. My hair, when I first moved onto campus and then just later in the winter, got really dry and just brittle, and I did not know what to do with it. And so as you can see right now, it's all bouncy and luscious and just bomb. And so yeah, if you guys want to see my deep conditioning method for this winter, then be sure to keep watching. So the first thing that you're gonna want to do, you're gonna wanna grab your favorite deep conditioner or moisturizing conditioner or whatever you wanna call it, just your favorite conditioner that's the most moisturizing, most nourishing, and most restoring for your hair. And for me, it is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It really gets the job done for moisture, and this is bomb by itself if you just want to use it by itself. But today we're going to show our hair a little bit more TLC. So the first oil that I decided to use, holy grail of mine, extra virgin coconut oil, 100%. I use the Shea Moisture one. It's really bomb as well, and I take about 2 to 3 tablespoons. It's really lightweight, but it also makes your hair really shiny and just really soft. That in combination with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil deep treatment, it's bomb. The next oil that I have decided to use is the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco Extra Penetrating Oil for dry and coarse hair. If you want to get 100% pure argan oil, I'm completely for that as well. If you are looking for extra shine, that's mainly what this is for me at least. It's more shine. It's a really lightweight oil. The last and final ingredient is extra virgin olive oil, and olive oil also helps with shine, split ends, breakage, and moisture as well. I only use like literally a dime to nickel size amount just because it's really thick and gloppy. My hair was feeling a wee bit more dry than usual that day, and so I went with a thicker oil. We're just gonna stir all the ingredients together. So the second step, after you've made your conditioner, you're gonna wanna start on freshly washed and detangled hair. And I'm just gonna split my hair into sections. I split it in more than 2 sections now because my hair has gotten a lot longer and thicker, and I'm just gonna apply the conditioner very generously throughout my hair and really focus on those ends because those are the oldest part of your hair and they're the most dry in the winter, at least for me. I apply a really generous amount of this, as you can tell, and then what I like to do is just twist it up into a little mini bun and I clip it, and we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay guys, and once my hair is completely saturated with the conditioner, I just like to pull it back and wrap it into a low bun. Next step, we're going to grab a plastic bag, shower cap, anything you have on hand to seal that moisture in, and I kept this in overnight on this particular day, so I just put a scarf over my hair just so that my pillows and stuff wouldn't get conditioner all over it. And the next morning, I rinsed it out with freezing cold water. That is key. I rinse my hair with shockingly cold water year round because it helps to seal the hair cuticle, and so that's sealing in all the moisture and all of that good stuff that you just put into your hair, versus with hot water, it opens your hair cuticle and your scalp and everything, and all the moisture is leaving your hair, and we want to seal it in and shock the hair cuticle so that all the moisture can stay in, and it also helps to combat frizz. And after that, I take my hair down and I style my hair accordingly, and as you can see, my curls are really soft and luscious and bouncy and just amazing. I hope that this helped anybody out there that's looking for a moisturizing conditioner, and this is definitely budget friendly. Like I said, you can use any conditioner that you want, any oils that you want, completely up to you. This is just what's worked best for me. So come back and let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed the conditioner, if you decided to try it out, or if you altered something. Just let me know all of it. I love feedback and I love helping you guys out. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, and leave video suggestions down below, and don't forget to participate in my polls because I will be posting those more often. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!